Click on username. Click IP allow list. IP has been added successfully. Click API. Count select as needed. Take India as an example for the protocol. Choose successful and sticky IP. Click to generate API link and open the link. Copy one of the proxy IPs. Open the Chrome browser and search for an IP detector. After detection, it was found that the IP address at this time was the United States. Find System Settings under Settings and click to open your computer proxy settings. Copy the Lunaproxy proxy address. Click Save. After refreshing, I found that the IP address at this time has been converted to India.